What is your opinion of Elon Musk?
Planet doesn't care.
Solo, YOLO.
Capitalism.
Conspiracy theories.
Aliens. Yeah, they exist.
How much do you earn?
200k.
I can live with that. People who are in trouble. They deserve it.
Hi everyone, it's still 17 Index Data Lab team, and today we have kinda unusual and special Christmas and New Year Eve episode for you. Right now I'm in the center of Belgrade in Serbia, and I'm going towards to our office where I will take a little interview to our team members. Today we will ask a lot of questions to our programmers to understand how people in IT think, what is important to them, what kind of life they live, as well as try to embarrass them with some tricky questions. In general, do you want to know how much people in IT earn, how much they spend, how much they work, and how they got into the industry? Then just watch this video till the end. I think it's gonna be interesting for you. And by the way, this is a brand new video format for us, so your likes, your comments will be the main indicator for us whether you like this type of content or not. So hit the likes, write your comments, what do you think, and in the meantime, I'm near the office. So in preparation to this video, I wrote maybe 100 or even more questions on 5 different topics, but it doesn't matter. The funny thing is that today's guests don't understand what's going on at all. I didn't give them any questions. I didn't ask them what we're gonna speak about, what they can and can't talk about. So today we will really test them. So that's the time I think our first guest should be arrived soon. So I think it's time to start. Hope it's gonna be interesting, guys. Hope it's gonna be interesting. Let's go.
Hi, what is your name?
I'm Gregory.
My name is Borislav.
How old are you?
I'm 52. Surprised?
28.
25.
How did you get into IT and why do you do it?
I got into IT by pure chance. When I started learning on some online courses, I have a postgraduate diploma of a private university.
Okay, I just got too carried away in this stuff, and then it was too late. That's it.
I've been studying data science and data analysis. So I started learning and eventually I got here.
How long have you been in IT?
For 2.5 years now already.
For more than 5 or 6 years.
So since you was...
Yeah, since I was born from the school.
Okay, so what is your current specialization?
NLP. It stands for just use ChatGPT.
I identify myself as an AI solution engineer, prompt engineer, AI application developer.
Do you have a college or university degree?
Yeah, I hold Master of Computer Science degree. Yeah, like computer science overlord.
I have, but
Not IT.
different sphere. Yeah.
Do you think technical skills and experience more important than a degree?
I think that sometimes I lack some fundamental understanding of the sphere that I could have acquired probably in the university. In the end of the day, it's all about the hard skills and soft skills mostly.
I can't care less. I already have one. Skills is better.
Okay. So great.
No, I have one.
Can you just take your phone? Because the next question is like interactive one. So, can you explain Java and IT using only emojis?
Ah, this one. Gotcha.
Yeah, thank you.
Here, where?
Eggplant, drops, smile. Huh?
How many languages do you know?
Was it initially about programming languages or about natural languages? I'm a linguist by second profession, okay, so I speak too many natural languages, then I speak programming languages.
Ich spreche Deutsch. Ich möchte deinen Schrank kaufen.
Nice.
Yeah.
And how many IT languages do you know?
IT languages. What is it?
Some Python, and I know less JavaScript.
Python, C++, Lua a bit, Java a bit.
Do you prefer work in a team or work alone?
I'm a team player. I prefer teamwork, but I can't imagine working 100% of my work time with them. I love people, but I need some time alone to concentrate, but mostly a team works better.
Solo YOLO. I prefer to work alone.
So, next question. Do you prefer to work in office or freelance?
Home office, which is at home, alone, freelance.
Where do you think I work?
No. Because people don't know that.
I'm working for a freelance agency. What do you think where I'm working?
But you're right now in the office.
Yeah, it's set.
Okay, got it. And how often do you use assistant like a Pilot or ChatGPT?
I use ChatGPT not as a work tool, but as an instrument. When I do prompt engineering, I use ChatGPT, but otherwise I prefer Googling.
You're really boomer.
Yeah, kind of.
I almost feel like they use me. Almost daily.
Have you taken on a project knowing you could not complete it?
Am I supposed to say yes and lose my projects?
No, of course no.
No, never actually.
A person works in mine and gets $10 a day and you get $60 an hour. Please comment.
Capitalism.
I can hire 6 of them.
I personally know people who do the same thing as I do and earn $3 per hour. It depends on regions, question of luck sometimes.
So the next question I really want to know, strangest request from a client or a colleague?
Okay, let me think. Misunderstandings of some sort, or maybe some contradictory things.
Once one freelance agency upsold me to the customer. They told me to turn off my camera before the interview and pretend like I'm a guy named Vitek, just some Polish name. During the interview, the client asked me many times about my past, about my biography, about my hometown, Krakow. That is definitely not my hometown. And it was half an hour interview, super cringe. Yeah.
Okay, the next question. Name the most exciting new technology in IT at the moment.
I don't know. GPT is great. The mixed trial model. GPT-5. You didn't hear about it? ICQ, Skype.
So in this case, it's like generally it's the availability of large language models. But personally for me, I was always fascinated by math. I prefer graph neural networks. It's not ChatGPT level of impact, but it's beautiful. It's a beautiful concept. It's fascinating. Google it.
What career advice do you have for newcomers to the IT industry?
Try your luck, become good at some things, and be able to sell yourself, value your time, and learn math. It's good for overall psychological health.
I will answer with the famous Russian quote. Не в бабках сила, они старые. Chase a bill, never chase a bee.
Swag.
Yeah.
How much do you earn?
It depends on the month, but it's like 3 to 4K per month.
200K
In a year.
in 2 or 3 years.
Would you rather be paid per lines of code or per hours worked?
It will be better if they pay me for the time I think about the project.
4 hours, of course, because I'm a thinker. I don't blah, blah, blah. I mostly think. Lines of code don't measure what I invest in a project.
Okay, have you ever bumped the timer on Upwork or on other freelance platform?
Never. No one does that. Upwork freelancers don't do that.
Do you mean turning on the Upwork timer and going to take a shit?
Maybe.
Definitely no. Never.
By the way, which operating system do you prefer, Windows or Linux?
They're good both. Actually, I'm learned Linux kind of late, okay, but it's cool. I mean, it's beautiful, it's fast, it's all other stuff. But Windows has some place personally in my heart.
Windows. You didn't know about it? Linux, the most well-known operating system after the Linux.
So what do you prefer, work on the open source project for free or for a multi-billion-dollar company? But you already asked that you prefer Windows, so it's not a tricky question anymore. Yeah.
For a company.
Thanks for your honesty again.
No problem.
Okay, the next question. Customers from which countries pay the most?
From rich countries?
From USA, from Germany, from Australia.
Arabic Peninsula. It's mostly like, it's not which customers pay more, it's just they either can afford modern AI-powered solutions done by professionals who understand this relatively new sphere, or they can't afford it. That's simple as that.
What do you need the money for?
Daily expenses, investments, and my dog, it's here under the table. Charity, self-preservation. I mean, for everything.
To spend it, buy food. I don't need anything. Proper clothes, to buy fancy shit.
And what is most of your budget spent on?
It's the biggest part of my budget is not spent.
Food, no comment. Taxes.
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 Do you realize that this interview was for free? You're not gonna pay for this hour.
Was it?
You're not.
Okay,
How
bye.
does it feel? How does it feel? Wait, where are you
I'll
going?
Okay, I can afford, actually I can afford this interview, but for the last time. To be serious, I earn enough money by programming, so I can afford some investments of my personal time.
What stereotypes about IT professionals do you know, and which ones displease you?
I don't know. I don't any of them. Just normal guys.
Okay, I don't know much, actually, because I don't speak that much with people who are not from the industry. And if I do, I don't speak to them about IT industry, so neither of those displease me, because, you know, I mean, I don't care.
And are you a communicative person? Are you good with people?
Yeah, but it's not because I'm a programmer, it's despite the fact I'm a programmer.
No. Yes, of course. Thank you for your question.
How often do you chat with people and clients without using ChatGPT?
ChatGPT's language knowledge is worse than mine. I don't know about programming languages, maybe it's different things, but for natural languages I'm better.
Nice.
I usually use it with my clients to ensure quality of the conversation.
How many contracts do you have on LinkedIn?
Not much. I'm not linked in. That was the joke.
About 1,000.
1,000?
Yep.
Have you ever socialized with these people?
I know about 10 of them. I know about 100 of them. No, all of them. They're all my buddies. Chilling sometimes. Having fun.
Yeah, sometimes, but not too much. I mean, I like LinkedIn actually because it has the less cluttered feed of news, okay? I'm subscribed to some people who do tech news or some breakthroughs in this industry or some math stuff. It looks more like professional, like politics doesn't exist there almost. For my small contact network, it looks like everything is good, people are kind to each other, they are professionals in their sphere. It's fake image, but it works if you want to rest for a while.
So, and it's gonna be the stupid question if I ask you, are you on Tinder or not?
I've never been on Tinder actually. I am with my wife for 11 years now. So yeah, kinda Tinder was invented later.
Congratulations, by the way. Congratulations.
Thank you.
No.
Okay, do you ever use Tinder?
No.
Okay, IT and pickup. Can you demonstrate your best pickup line?
Okay, I'm not into pickup culture actually, but my best pickup phrase would be this dog is the best way to attract people on the streets in a bar if you can walk with the dog into a bar.
I should ask ChatGPT about it.
Are you happy?
Happiness is consists of plenty of factors, but I was lucky and I'm happy.
Yep.
And what makes you happy?
Spending time with my girlfriend, traveling, reading a good book, some simple things.
Your place in life and the state of life generally, your ability to live with it, to work with it. So I learned to to do that.
And have you ever had burnout or depression?
I have never had neither burnout nor depression.
Sometimes I feel a little bit tired of work, but it's not that bad. I can't call it depression. It happens with everyone. Everyone. It can happen to anybody.
Okay, the next question. How often do you get out of the house?
It's at least 3 times a day to walk the dog. Like that was the initial idea. People during the Corona crisis, they arranged themselves dogs or fake ones to get out of home. That's at least. Sometimes it's more.
Almost daily.
And what are you doing?
Spending time with my girlfriend.
Okay, and what are your hobbies?
Developing some pet projects. Reading books. Developing something for yourself. That's it.
Back to the question about advices, don't forget to do your hobbies and don't forget what you like. Personally, I like to read books and cooking, traditional cuisine of Czech and Slovak Republic. Everyone, try Czech food. If you don't like it, you're wrong.
If you weren't working in IT, what profession would you choose?
I mean, we're talking about IT as a profession. Actually, it's not. It's an industry. And you can do very different things in IT. I mean,
Probably not working in mine. Definitely become a vet. I love pets. Just kidding.
I'm not a visual type, okay? I like what I'm doing. I wouldn't choose something that involves more visual creation. Like, I mean, I can live with that.
So please, tell me one joke.
I don't know jokes that are safe for work.
What is the favorite shop of the Captain Hook?
What?
Second hand.
Not bad. So what is your opinion of Elon Musk?
Recently got completely off track.
I don't care. I don't really think about him. Just a dude.
Elon Musk, he's a good engineer and he wanted to be probably, I guess, a president of the United States, but he can't because he wasn't born in the United States. And he's trying to play the second president. I mean, he's doing the social media stuff, politics, weird things actually. For me, he's ruining his name now as an engineer.
So then, do you believe in conspiracy theories?
Some of them are true. I don't believe in false things. I mean, I believe only what is true.
For example?
For example, that not all but plenty of things in the world that are bad are caused by activities of secret services.
Area 51?
I don't-
Illuminati?
You can name, I mean, whatever you like, but I believe only in things that are true.
Aliens. Yeah, they exist. What's so funny about it? Yet? Yeah. Nazis from from moon.
And urban legends are not conspiracy theories. Area 51 is an urban legend. And it works like that because United States government, they are capitalists, so they need advertising. And if they need more clicks or, I don't know, more interested, and then they casually drop some new things, new information. They invent maybe an information about extraterrestrial beings and speak about it in the Senate or whatever, somewhere in the United States, and the high prices and so forth.
So the next question, what would happen if robots and smart assistants replace programmers tomorrow?
Replace programmers, then I will be one of the first people to supervise the process of automation.
I will look for another job. Hope they will need a guy who will clean the dust from the server room.
It won't be any different. There will be just drastically more programmers complaining about AI than they do now. But we may get some minimal wage, these social programs. I mean, technical progress won't outpace social progress anytime soon.
What do an OnlyFans model and freelance programmer have in common?
So I don't use OnlyFans too much. I mean, at all. I have never been on this platform.
They probably have weekends. They can rest a bit.
I imagine that what they have in common is that they are totally legit of a modern online service market, earn money, pay taxes most of the time. What we have in common is that we are A, humans, and B, potentially good ones. Okay.
Okay, the next question. Is ChatGPT going to destroy the world?
No, ChatGPT won't.
Definitely will be a lot dumber. Definitely no.
Further models may, and they should destroy the world. I mean, the world will not be destroyed. It's all located on servers, okay? The humanity is what's in danger, like climate change, okay? The planet will survive. The planet doesn't care. It's people who are in trouble, and let them have the trouble. They deserve it.
Name your biggest idol, please.
Idol. I don't do idols. You are my biggest idol now. Okay, if you
thank you
introduce
so
it.
much.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Lisa from Blackpink. She's great idol.
Nice choice. Would you be willing to donate $100 to charity right now?
Don't you have money for food? I can buy you after the interview. Charity.
Absolutely. I'll do it now, but I don't have access to my bank account. I'll do it tomorrow.
Okay, and what's the charity?
Different charity.
This is the secret.
Yeah.
So thank you so much. That was the interview. Thank you so much for your time and for your attention.
Thank you too.
Thank you.
So, Hoof, like as always, we leave the office last. It's already 8 o'clock, the middle of the working week, which means we need to have some rest and make the last push this year. And yes, if you like this type of content, if you like interviews video, please leave your comments, write your questions, and we will definitely shoot another video for you. Especially since we have a lot of people from the industry who have a lot to say. So have a good holidays. It was Index Data Lab team, your friends still 17. See you soon in the next year, in the next video. Bye. Happy New Year's, friends.